In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a contract with Pandadoc for a client. We'll walk through the full process from creating the document, to adding your client, to placing and assigning signature fields, and finally sending the contract out for signing. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause at any point if you need to catch up. First, start in your Pandadoc dashboard. To create a new contract, look for the button that says New Document. Go ahead and click that. From the options that appear, choose Select File. This lets you upload an existing contract file, like a PDF or Word document, that you've already prepared. Once you select your file from your computer, Pandadoc will load it into the editor so you can start customizing it for e-signatures. Next, you'll want to add your recipients. These are the people who need to sign or review the contract. Look for the recipient section, usually near the top or side of the editor, and click to add a new recipient. Enter each person's name and their email address. Double-check spelling here because this is where the signing link will be sent. If you have multiple signers, add each one separately so you can assign fields correctly later. Now, let's insert any text you want to include directly in Pandadoc. On the right-hand side, you should see a panel with different content blocks. Find the text block and drag it into the document where you want your contract terms or additional notes to appear. Click inside the text block to type or paste your terms. This is helpful if you need to add custom clauses, key dates, or client-specific details without editing the original file. With your text in place, it's time to add the fields your client will interact with. From that same right-hand panel, locate the signature field and drag it onto the document where you want the client to sign. Do the same with the date field, placing it right below or next to the signature, depending on your layout. You can resize or move these fields until they fit neatly in your contract. After placing the fields, you need to assign each one to the correct recipient. Click on a field and you'll see a small drop-down or floating menu that lets you choose who this field belongs to. Select the right recipient for each signature and date field. If you have multiple parties signing, make sure each field is assigned to the appropriate person, so Pandadoc knows who needs to complete what. Once everything looks good, you're ready to send the contract. Click on Review and Send. This will give you one last chance to scan through the document, confirm recipients, and make sure all fields are correctly placed and assigned. When you're satisfied, click Continue, and then choose Send Document. Pandadoc will email a secure link to your client so they can open, review, and sign the contract online. And that's the full process of setting up a contract with Pandadoc for a client, from upload to send.